shout out to our resident vegan bike cleaner. I'm going to be cleaning the Tiger 900. It is a little bit filthy, to say the least. Oh, look at that grime.
Honestly, it looks like it's like having a mini leopard in your house.
The magic potion doing its trick.
This is different stuff to what I normally use. I normally use built amber Surfex.
Yeah.
What I've noticed of late, I've noticed it on my bike more than anything. Not, I can get rid of it, but what it does, it leaves staining on the plastics.
Yeah, yeah.
Like rum marks.
Yeah.
And like I say, I can get rid of it, but I thought, well, I don't want that.
Something therapeutic about the snow foam, isn't there?
It is when it's thicker. That's the thing with snow.
Yeah.
That foam ends up being dry.
I saw that, I had to buy it.
Going to chasing water for ages.
Okay, everyone.
Right.
So this is the finished article.
Right, so all the plastics, the bare plastics, like the matte finish plastics, have all been treated with a dressing, and it's made by Car Pro, and it's called Pearl, P-E-R-L.
I feel so smooth actually, yeah.
The tank and any glossing, so these gloss panels, this gloss panel, the gloss panels on here, and round the other side exactly the same. They've all had a treatment of Chemi FSE, which is a detail spray. All that does is remove the water spotting and clean the surface. And then they've had a coating of Soft 99 Fuso coat, which is a wax that will give at least 9 to 12 months durability. It's very, very good, and it's very, very cheap. The rest of the bike's just been washed with normal products, mostly built amber, some Chemi Green Star, which is a degreaser which I use for the chain and round the wheel and all round here and stuff like that. Like I say, all the gloss panels have been waxed, and I'll normally wax the screen as well. And you'll notice that when you start riding, the water will bead straight up it.
That'd be handy.
And I've cleaned the glass with a glass cleaner, and I've also put some wax on there as well, because that'll do the same. It won't hold the water. And that's about it really. Oh, and I've treated I've gave it a spray of built amber. Come to me in a minute, I forgot what it's called. Rust treatment that's been sprayed on and then blown with an air blower to spread it out. Otherwise it collects all in one place, and you don't want that. You want a nice thin film of it all over. Yeah. I've also give the header parts a little bit of a polish just to clean them up a little bit. The metal polish that I use has got a sealant in as well, so I'm hoping that these should stay roughly the same as what they are now.
Yeah.
I've also done that little piece under there. And again, that should stay the same as well.
Looking good.
All the wheels have been treated with Cot Chemi FSC, which again is a detail spray. So they're just nice and clean. The Cot Chemi stuff doesn't alter the finish.
Yeah.
So some sprays, if you put it on like a, because that's obviously like a silk finish, it'll put a shine on it, which you don't want. You want it to stay as it is.
Yeah.
You know, and obviously the gloss that'll make it glossy. Oh, that's a good mark, isn't it?
He's a perfectionist.
It takes, honestly, it takes me ages. And I'll be looking around it and I'll see something, I can guarantee it.
Yeah.
And I'm like, oh,
Every time you look, you can find something else, can't you? It is what it is. I'm going to be out on it tomorrow, and
you're going to soil it.
It's going to be filthy again. But at least she'll be protected. Yeah.
Well, literally. So now, if you go out on it a couple of times, just literally, even if you just rinsed it with water, most of that stuff should just drop off.
Yeah.
It should just drop off, and it won't stick to it.
Perfect for someone who hates washing bikes, like me. Yeah.
I love washing bikes, it's great.
Yeah. Looking good, thank you very much.
No worries, mate.
That was
always a pleasure.
What's in there? It's Tache Man Detailing. Yeah, so we'll put a link in the description.
Thank you.